Alright, today I'm doing a review on Freddy Vs Jason. Jason by NECA. And most likely this is a reissue figure. And here's what the figure looks like. And packaging. That's the front. And here's the back. Cool Classics. Here's a little bio. Jason Voorhees. And also available. Let's see, The Lost Boys, Beetlejuice, Trick or Treat, and Freddy Vs Jason. Alright, let's get him out of the box and take a look at him. Alright, got Jason out of the package, and here's what he looks like with the machete from the front, and here's what he looks like from the side and from the back. Alright, let's take a closer look. Alright, here he is, Jason with his hockey mask. Nice detail throughout. The jacket does look like he just came out of the water from the lake. And there's his machete. And then look at his hockey mask. The jacket's made out of rubber. So is the inner shirt. And, I mean soft rubber, because the whole thing's made out of rubber. And his hands are actually made out of really soft rubber, just like the jacket. And articulation, his neck swivel, arm swivel. There's a cut joint here at the elbow, and wrist swivel, and waist. Let me see. Okay, waist does swivel, and the ankles swivel as well. Let's take a look at him from the back. Alright, here's a look at him from the back. Oh, poor guy, look. He only has 2 strands of hair left. His neck roll. Jacket. Look at that. Poor cut. And some torn pieces, some holes, and some pants, some holes as well. And there you go. And let's take a look at him without the mask. Here he is without his mask. It's but ugly. Yeah. Alright. Big brain though. And there you go. Here's Jason Voorhees by NECA. And you could pick him up at Toys R Us for $10. And there you go. Thanks for watching.